Hello my dear friends, I hope you all are doing very good. So this video is going to be very important guys. If you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel because in this video we are going to talk about University of Hyderabad CUET UG, CUET PG and PhD admission. Yes, first of all there is a big update कि PhD का जो है ऑफिशियल डेट इट हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड एंड PhD का यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद न्यू डेट इज़ 24th and 25th of June for 2023 admission. Please, and the admit card will be released on 20 of June. The notification link is given below, you can see that. And CUET UG and CUET PG जो है, once the result will be declared, University of Hyderabad will open the portal. I will also send the link on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link is just given below, you can join there. All updates I put there regarding CUET PG, admit card, PhD, HCU, everything. I cannot make every time video regarding all those things, but I put the content there, so you please stay tuned and subscribe the channel. And in between I must tell you regarding the PhD things. PhD वालों का यहाँ पे you see that after opening the main page you have to go to the open the first page, that PhD link. After clicking on the PhD link you will have some interference like this, and here you have to just go to the different links. If you are looking for the prospectus you can click there. If you have if you are interested to know the on which date, exact on which date you will have exam, because many people have exam on 24th, many people have exam on 25th. ठीक है, तो किसी का 24 जून को एग्जाम है, किसी को 25 जून का एग्जाम है. So if you are looking for the date, so you please go to the PhD date sheet. You can see that कि it is completely written on the red color से prospectus 23 के just नीचे you will be clicking on the red color PhD entrance exam schedule. So the moment you will click on that, so you will have some PDF like this. Sorry for the blur. This PDF I have already uploaded on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is just given below. Navneet Misra official, on the Navneet Misra official, this PDF I have uploaded, where you can see that ki some people have exam on 24th, some people have exam on 25th, and University of Hyderabad total takes 41, yes, 41 exams, 41 PhD course exams. So that was the all update. Stay tuned guys, please subscribe the channel till your admission, counseling, result, hostel, everything like last year I will be with you. Stay tuned. And in between I must tell you, people who are looking for NET JRF classes for the economics and CUET PG economics 24 classes, they can join. All details I have given here, and Navinomics app you can download or you can connect us on the given number. Okay, so I hope this video was fruitful to you. Please like this video, subscribe the channel and share among your friends. Okay guys, please join the Telegram link. Bye bye, see you soon guys.